Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Zotero Reference Manager software, add citations and bibliography with it in Microsoft Word. Let's go to its official website and download it. This is the official website of Zotero, zotero.org. This software is available for all the operating system. However, I'll download it for Windows machine. Make sure you also download Zotero connector for your browser. Installation is pretty simple, just follow the prompt and do it. I'll directly go to the Zotero software and show you how this would work for you. You can see it has a clear looking uncluttered interface. On the left side there are a number of folders. In the middle you would see citations or references or papers that you would import to your Zotero software, and on the right side information related to your papers or references would appear. There are three methods by which you can add citations or references into your Zotero software. First one is manual. For example, click on this plus button. Whatever source you are using, click over it. Let me do it for journal article, and here you can fill in the information manually. I would recommend you not to use this method as it would take too much time. The other method is through ISBNs, DOIs and PMIDs. Let me show you how this would be done. I have this paper and I would like to add its reference to my Zotero software, and this is the PubMed identifier. I would copy it, go to Zotero and click on this button, paste the code and click enter. Here you can see Zotero has automatically picked up the related information. The other method of adding your entries into Zotero is through your browser. Let me open my browser. Now I have opened this paper in Google Scholar and I would like to add its entry or its reference into my Zotero software. So this is the extension that you have already installed in your browser. Click over it, click over the paper that you would like to add, an Outlook on lithium-ion battery technology. Click OK. Choose the folder you would like to add the information to. Let me add it to my thesis. Click Done. Here you can see that a reference has been added. Let me do it for a few more papers. Now here you can see that I have added a few more references to my thesis folder. It must be noted that not in all cases full text is available. For example, here you can see that full text snapshot, and in this case you can see that full text is available as PDF. So these are the three methods by which you can add references to your thesis or book or whatever document you are working on. Before adding references or citations in your thesis or paper, make sure you go to Edit and install Microsoft Word add-in. After installing it, you can see that it would appear over here, Zotero. You can also drop a PDF paper into it and it would automatically pick up the necessary information from the internet. For example, I have some papers. Let me add it to Zotero. I would click and drag it into the window, and here you can see that it has been added automatically, and Zotero has picked up all the necessary information from the internet. Let me show you how would you do the citations and referencing in your paper, book or thesis. Let me cite this paper into my thesis. Make sure you have read the paper, made some notes, and put those notes into your Microsoft Word. Now these are the information that I have collected from the paper, and I would like to cite the paper over here. I would go to Zotero, add citations for this icon, classic view, and this is actually the paper that I'm going to cite. I would click OK, and here you can see that it has been cited. Let me show you for a few more papers. Again, I have read the paper, made some notes, and I'm going to put my notes over here and let me cite it. I would go to Cite, click Classic, and I would click over it, click OK. You can also add multiple references at the same time. For example, I have gathered these information from 3 papers, so I'm going to cite all the 3 papers in one go. Again, go to Add Edit Citation, Classic View, Multiple Sources. I would click, add, click, add, and add. Now click on OK, and here you can see that all the 3 references have been added. This is how in-text citation is done. Let me show you how would you add bibliography. Put your cursor where you want your bibliographic data to appear, and now click on Add Edit Bibliography. And here you can see that bibliography or references have been added automatically. If you want to change the style, you can go to Document References, and here are a number of styles available. You can add which one you like. If the style that you want to use is not available, then you can click on Manage Styles and you can get additional style from here. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, please like, subscribe and share this information. Thanks for watching.